Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Tktby on how to create a time slot event in Tktby. Click on Event, then select Create Event. Then select second one, Time Slot Event, and click on the Next button. Now, enter the basic information about the event, such as the event title, category, start date, and the event end date. Upload the event banner and event-related image from your computer. Add the event description and event terms and conditions. Now add the location details such as event location, address, country, state, and city. Click on Next. Add the slot details such as the price for all slots, ticket quantity, and allow purchase tickets. Then select the Add and Apply for all tickets button. Now, it will show all the tickets from 15th March to 31st March. Enter the ticket title, event start time, event end time, and slot duration. After that, add the slot and copy this slot for all days. Now add the new batch, like here I'll create an event for yoga sessions. So, enter the new ticket title, event start and end time, and slot duration. After that, add the slot and copy this slot for all days. Now scroll down and save. You can see the event dates while booking your ticket. Select your preferred date and time. Book your slot for the event. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and follow the Tktby for more updates.